All right, you ready for it?
Ready for what?
I'll show you. Ready? Let's show them.
Okay.
I can't wait till you see this. Oh, damn!
Got it, partner.
Smells like pump gas.
Oh, it is. 91.
Well, MBRP exhaust. Look at them socks.
It was ceramic coated when he bought it.
Oh, really? Oh, it looks stock. All right, Branson, tell us about your new car.
Tune only.
He's not. Oh, he's a grudge racer now. That's right.
We don't tell secrets.
It's true.
Does yours have these?
Yeah, dual fuel pressure regulators. Yeah. This one is like, that's a pretty smart way to turn it. Mine's just right up here because I moved all this wiring down underneath.
Are your injectors that loud?
Not that loud, but. Performance pack wheels? This thing is loaded! Hey, does yours have a downpipe? I'm still missing mine.
I don't know.
Do you know where the button is for that?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it? What is this?
Wheels.
Oh yeah, I want to see those. Oh, look at that. You got an ice tank in there. Man, you got the nice shit.
So if you didn't give me the top cover piece, I'm gonna have to build something to.
You want mine? I'm not using mine. It's the same.
I don't think it'll go on top of it though.
Yeah, because it's got like probably 3 inches that like sits under it, I bet. 2, 3. Let's see those puppies. The wheels I almost got. Oh, freaking bead locks. Look at those. Woo. Dang. Fancy. Fair. Yeah.
Why didn't you want to get rid of it?
Dang. What?
I'm telling you what it's got.
Come on.
Nope.
Okay, well tell us what year it is.
It's a 2014.
What?
What?
Branson.
It's 2018. And it's got 2 extra mufflers that make a weird whistling noise.
What's the tank in the back for?
For my beer.
Gotta keep it cool somehow.
Beer to go.
Yeah.
What'd you say?
Beer to go.
Have you drove it?
Not yet.
What?
She wouldn't drive it. I tried to get her to.
No.
Yeah, she'll probably go crazy. She's probably trying to race everybody. So that's like a performance pack 1 then, I think, right?
Yeah, it's a one because the 2 only comes in manual.
Yeah, there you go. So he's got the Brembos, nice wheels, leather.
Yeah, where are you at?
Not running.
True.
I kinda
David
was-
has to just take pictures of it. He has to push out of the garage.
Hey! Ah! Ooh, that's nice. So that was not Kennedy's Mustang.
Nope.
What color is your Mustang?
Mine's Orange Fury.
So that is Branson's new Mustang. He doesn't really want to say too much about it. He just got it though. He picked it up in San Antonio. It does have an LPF twin turbo kit on it. He just doesn't want to talk about horsepower numbers yet. And right now it's just on like pump 91 octane because they had to drive 500 miles from San Antonio. So he just got back though, super cool. I cannot wait to make some videos on that car. It's gonna be a quick car for sure. Those LPF kits do not mess around. Got a few friends with them, but it's a super clean car. It's a 2018 Mustang GT. It's got all the nice interior, except he doesn't have the digital dash, but he has everything else. Like he's got the bigger screen with the navigation, heated and cooled seats. He has air conditioning, which is nice.
Must be nice, Branson.
So yeah, I guess if we want to cruise the car around or do road trips, we'll just hop in the back of Branson's car because he's got all the nice amenities. But it's a super clean car. He got a really good deal on it. It's only got like 8,000 miles on it, and it is a 10-speed auto car. It's not a manual, so it's definitely going to be a quick car. He's already got a drag pack for it. He just needs tires. So he got the really nice Forge Star bead locks in the back with the skinnies up front. But yeah, I'm really excited. Branson's actually going to have a fast car. If you guys don't know and you're just new to the channel, Branson used to have a CTSV that probably made, I think, close to 800 to the wheels. He had a lot of stuff done to it, and he did everything himself. He had to build the trans on it, and he kind of got just sick of putting money into it. You know how race car, street car shit is. You just keep putting money into it, keep putting money into it. So I think he's really excited to start with a new platform. He's had a truck for a while now. After he sold the CTSV, he was just whipping around a truck. But he's pretty excited to get back into the car scene, and it's always fun having your friends at the track. So it's going to be an awesome season if I get my car done. Now, someone else has a turbo Mustang in town that's completed, and mine's not. But it's going to be an awesome time. Huge shout out to Branson. Congrats on the new car. Looks like he's enjoying it already. But we got a bunch of videos coming up with him. We'll actually do some review on it. We'll do some reaction videos with it. We'll do tons of stuff. And obviously, once my car's running, we're going to have to run them against each other and see what a LPF twin turbo car can do against my garage-built Joseph turbo kit car. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, comment down below what you think of Branson's Mustang, like the video, Kennedy at Kennedy McCall.
What? Like the video at Kennedy McCall?
Yeah. Follow Kennedy at Kennedy McCall. Follow Branson. What is Branson's Instagram? He never even posts on there.
It's fine.
It's just Branson Brown, I think.
Branson Brown.
Follow me at Bambi39. We will see you guys on the next one. We are attempting to make low-fat pizza rolls.
We've got the mozzarella. We've got the vineyard marinara. We've got the turkey pepperoni 70%. I can't do this.
What's the last one?
Oh, and 90 calorie. I can't do the accent. It's
croissant.
Croissant. Croissant. You got a croissant.
Why are you adding a lisp to it?
I'm a lisp.
So, if you guys don't know, we love pizza rolls from Texas Firehouse. They're so good, but we're trying to lose some. Well, I'm trying to lose some weight. She's trying to put on some muscle, and yeah, they're ridiculously good. So, we've decided we're gonna make our own. They might not be that good, but we're gonna try it.
If they're trash,
We'll go
I'll
to
meet
Firehouse.
you at Firehouse.
So yeah, we've got some fat-free. We're not using that cheese, are we?
I'm using all cheeses.
Well, I just want this cheese.
Well-
This is pizza. You don't use cheddar on pizza.
Yes, you do. You
Anyways,
use,
we've got some
you
fat-free.
use cheddar and mozzarella.
Fat-free mozzarella.
Why do you think
We might use some fat-free cheddar. We've got some lower-calorie turkey pepperoni, which actually you might hate on turkey pepperoni, but this stuff's pretty good. And we got some lower-calorie croissants. So we're gonna see how this turns out. And some marinara to dip it in after. Like, Kennedy got me this cool shelf to put some stuff on. And look at these super cool photos she got me. There's Cupcake, and then there's the OG Sneaky Cat. R.I.P. And some pictures of me and Ken Dog. And some photography stuff. Alright, Kennedy, what's the method going on here?
I don't really know.
So we've got the croissant sheets laid out. And she's putting some marinara on.
So I'm thinking, and the only other time I've done it is where I already took, you know, tore all of the croissants apart, and I did it one by one, but I'm gonna try differently this time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do everything at once, and then go from there. We'll see.
Alright, so there's what we've got so far. They look pretty good like that. So we're going to let them bake and then fold them over, or fold over and then bake?
That's really close. Maybe. I don't know. What do you think?
Fold over before you bake them, then they're like
That's
baked
what
together.
I was thinking, but
Cool.
we'll do that.
Alright, we flipped them over. We're gonna put them in the oven. Oh!
Don't drop it.
So they're not the prettiest looking things. This ain't Pinterest worthy, but it's gonna be good. Oh, look at those.
Oh, man.
They're not the best looking thing, but that looks delicious.
Thank you.
Thank you. What? Well,
I did this.
Joint effort.
What did you do? You flipped it. And you bought it. Thank you, Dave.
Hello?
Love you.
I don't know how I paid for it with all the money I just spent on my car. It gets quiet.